Imagine this, a single drink that can calm inflammation, fire up your metabolism, soothe your stomach, and even help your body fight off sickness, all hiding in your kitchen right now. The recipe is surprisingly simple. Take milk, add a pinch of turmeric, a dash of cinnamon, a little cayenne pepper, a sprinkle of paprika. Warm it all on low heat, that's it. But what it does in your body, that is where the magic happens. Turmeric is nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It helps your joints and gut feel younger and calmer. Cinnamon? It keeps your blood sugar stable and your cravings in check. Cayenne pepper gives you a circulation boost, firing up your metabolism while helping clear congestion. Paprika adds antioxidants and vitamin A to strengthen immunity and sharpen vision. And the milk? It's the perfect carrier, helping your body absorb the goodness, especially curcumin from turmeric. When combined, these ingredients create more than just a cozy drink. It's a functional tonic that warms you up from the inside, supports digestion, boosts energy, and keeps your immune system resilient. So the next time you're winding down at night or waking up sluggish in the morning, skip the energy drinks or sugary teas. Heat this tonic gently, sip it slowly, and let your body thank you with more energy, better digestion, and less stress.